Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso with Integral here, sharing another tech tip that will help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're talking about browser extensions and plugins. Browser extensions and plugins can be helpful as far as enhancing your web browsing experience. Sometimes these plugins will allow you to interact with specific websites in a way that you normally couldn't without the plugin. But oftentimes these plugins can be the source of viruses and other pesky things that pop up when you search the internet. We're going to take a look at the most popular browsers on the internet and show you what you need to do in order to keep those pesky browser pop-ups from ruining your internet experience. This is a step and a tip that anyone who can surf the internet and check email can do. It's not that technically difficult to disable browsers. So hold on to your hats. I'm going to show you how to disable those browsers. All right, so we've got Firefox up here as a browser, and we will start with Firefox as far as what you can do in order to disable that pesky plugin. And it looks like I accidentally clicked to Firefox, so let's go back, or not to Firefox, to Chrome. So let's go back to Chrome, and then I will show you what you need to do. So in Firefox, and to make sure we are in Firefox, let's go to Help and About Firefox. So that way you'll know which browser I'm in. As you can see, a lot of these browsers look similar, so we need to make sure that you are looking at the right browser. So in Firefox, what you want to do is you want to open up the browser, which we have. Then you want to go over to the Firefox menu and click on it. The menu is over here. Once you are in the menu for Firefox, you want to click on Add-ons. Once you click on Add-ons, you want to then go down to Extensions. Now, we don't have any extensions plugged in here, but if you do have any that are loading up, and let's close that message from Carbonite, if you do have any extensions in Firefox, they will show up here and you can disable them. As you can see in Firefox, you can get by without any extensions. So if you go here and you see certain extensions that are popping up, you definitely want to disable them because in most cases, if you don't know what it is, then you probably need to disable the extension. Getting back to your home screen, you can just click on the house and then you can go back and surf with Firefox. Our next browser is going to be Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is Windows built-in browser, and it supersedes Internet Explorer. So what do we do in Edge? Same thing, most of these browsers have the menu in the upper right-hand corner. You just want to click on the menu, and then once the menu pops down, you want to click on Extensions. Once you get the list of extensions, if you have them here, then you can right-click on them, and you can disable those extensions. And as I said earlier, all browsers can exist without an extension, so if you see an extension present, be sure to delete it. Our next browser is going to be Google Chrome. Now let's go ahead and click on Chrome and follow the instructions to disable extensions. Once you're in Chrome, pretty darn simple. You just click on the menu in the upper right hand corner. Once you get that menu open, you want to go to More Tools. Once we're into more tools, then there's the extensions. Now Chrome, as you can see, have extensions in them, or the Chrome that I'm using. And so in your other browsers, when you're surfing the internet, this is what the extensions look like. Extensions are just those add-ins in your browser that enhance your web experience. But in the other browsers where I didn't have extensions, this is what they look like in Chrome. Let's switch back to the screen there. So these are extensions. So most of these extensions I want, except for maybe music match lyrics for YouTube. We'll keep that. Netflix categories, we can remove that. So either you can remove it completely, or in Chrome, you can just switch it off and it won't use that extension anymore. Getting back to your home screen, you just can click on the menu and then just go to New Tab, and it'll open up a new tab window for you. Now finally, we are looking at Opera, which is the lesser known browser, but it's very good browser as far as making sure that you stay safe on the internet. Opera's got a built-in VPN and it's got private mode, which makes it appealing to a lot of people that surf the internet. Now, in Opera, you can click on the Opera menu, which is in the upper right-hand corner. Once you click on the menu, you just go to extensions and click extensions again. And lo and behold, there are no extensions. But if you do see extensions in here, you want to delete them. Finally, last but not least, there's those old holdouts that have to use Internet Explorer. So we will show how you use or get rid of extensions in Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer, you just click on the cog. Once you click on the cog, you want to click on Manage Add-ons. Once you click on Manage Add-ons, then you can see the add-ons in the list and the extensions, and then you can just go through and disable all of the extensions that you see there in the browser. So pretty simple steps as far as making sure that your internet speed is going to be a lot faster when you surf the web. Like I said, extensions can be useful, but at the same time, they can be pesky. You go to the wrong website, it will install an extension in your browser and it will hamper your web surfing experience. So be sure to disable those extensions to have a nice and problem-free web surfing experience. If you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what tech tips you'd like me to see and share in future videos. Now, I don't think I needed to say see, what you would like me to share in future videos. And speaking of videos, always be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels at Integral and myself, Burton Kelso. Like our social media channels, they're full of tech tips and tricks and cybersecurity alerts that are designed to help you get more from the technology you use in your digital life. So as always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.